pushing us into the graves.
So you guys asked a really good question in the beginning, like, okay, we've gone below 7,000, and on the stock market there were technical support levels, that the traders and stuff and professionals in Wall Street use, and one was at 7,200,
yeah,
and then 7,000 was kind of a psychological level, but the next real technical level was 69. Well, most people never thought the market was going to hit 7,600 and then collapse to 72, but it did. And at 72, a lot of the traders and professionals were thinking, okay, this is kind of the line in the sand, it's going to take a stand here and rally back.
yeah.
So it didn't. It was like a couple days, I think it was the same week, it fell right through that, bang, down to 69. And then the last week it's been floating around 69, but now we're down to like 65. So it just keeps ratcheting down, and the next support level is at 6,000, which we're almost at. And there doesn't seem to be anything in sight that's going to lift it.
Nope.
I mean, we'll probably get, at some point, we may get a bounce or relief rally, but it's not going to be big and it won't be long. And, we may hit 6,000 first, or we may go to 6,000 and then have a little rally. But basically, after 6,000, there's no more support levels. I mean, the next one goes so far back in history, and it's down to 4,000. But nobody really knows. It's like 6,000 is like when the bottomless pit opens.
Yikes.
And people start getting swallowed whole.
Then it's total free fall, and then everything loses its value in this country. Every company loses its value, and of course the money will lose its value. Then you are facing the D word, as it's being thrown around quite a bit in the media. I'm reading everywhere. Depression.
Yeah,
Some people saying the greatest depression coming.
There has to be something that happens that changes things, and everyone was hoping it would be Obama and whatever plan he put together, but it hasn't. The thing, since Obama's come in, it's gotten actually worse, and it's fallen so fast that we're now down almost at 6,500 something. We're down approaching the 6,000 level, which was just unthinkable that the market would do this.
Yeah.
And now everybody's going, well, yeah, of course it's going to go to 6,000. There's nothing,
nothing
good in sight. Yeah, nothing on the horizon to help.
All right,
there is
biblical prophecy and revelation.
All right, we got to take a break, but quickly, short answer. How many months do we have to go before we could say we're tilting this way or that way, do you think? How much time do
I think it's going to be pretty soon. Yeah.
Month, 2
soon.
months, 6 months, the next 6 months?
I'd say within 2 months.
Within 2 months, either it's going to take a nosedive or it's going to start to turn around a little bit.
Yeah, it can't teeter much longer.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
All right, well, not a cheery segment, but definitely a realistic look at what's really going on here.